Hello, P3 students! Welcome again to our English 3 class with Ms. Ida. We are now on Unit 5, Lesson 3, Problems and Solutions. Please get your learner's book and let's open it on pages 66 to 67. Get ready with your notebook and your pen as you will be answering some of the activities as we go along. So are you ready? Let's get started! Our lesson objectives are the following. Listening. Listen about problems and solutions. Speaking. Speak about problems and solutions. Reading. Read about problems and solutions. And for writing, write about an invention. For language focus, saying years and using have to. For revision, ordinal numbers, past simple, sequencing words. For our vocabulary, we have the following words: hate, drown, stormy, traffic light. Take your time to check their meanings, children. For our warm-up activity, I have here some questions. Do you still remember the inventions we read about in Lesson 2? What problems did these inventions solve? Write down your answers, children, and we will be sharing them tomorrow during our Zoom meeting. Our first activity is reading. People invent things because they want to solve a problem. Read about 3 more inventions. Which of these inventions have you seen and where? Okay, so the first problem is Robert Platt was an airplane pilot in the United States. He had to carry heavy suitcases around very big airports. He hated it. Solution: in 1987, he invented a small suitcase on wheels. Now everybody can buy one. I'm sure you have one also, right, children? Second problem. Fishermen sometimes used to fall out of their boats and drown in stormy weather. Solution: in 1928, Peter Marcos invented a new life jacket. It was made of rubber and filled with air. It saved many lives. Now all boats and planes carry life jackets. I'm sure you are familiar with this, children, right? And for the third problem, 100 years ago, there were lots of cars on the city roads. There used to be lots of accidents when 2 roads crossed. Solution: in 1923, an American called Garrett Morgan invented the traffic signal. It told drivers when to stop and when to go. Today, we have traffic lights on many roads. For language tip, we say years before the year 2000 like this: 1986. We say years after the year 2000 like this: 2008, 2013, or 2013. Which year were you born in, children? And for our second activity, use of English. When was each invention invented? Who was the inventor? Which thing was invented first? Which was next? Take your time to answer these questions, children, and we will check your answers tomorrow during our Zoom meeting. The third activity, talk to your mom or dad about one of the 3 problems. Can your parents remember the solution without looking? Try it! And for the fourth activity, let's going to talk. Which of these things do you have to do at home? Think of 3 or more things that you have to do. Examples are: I have to brush my hair every day. I have to brush my teeth. I have to lay the table before we eat. I have to put my dirty clothes in a laundry basket. I have to do my homework. I have to practice a musical instrument. For language tip, we use have to talk about rules and things that other people make us do. An example is, you have to stop. And for our last activity, write. Choose one of the four things in activity 4. Think of an invention to make it easier or more fun. It can be silly or serious. Write about it. Ms. Ida will discuss more about this activity during our Zoom meeting. And that ends our lesson for today, children. Thanks for watching, and be ready and be on time for our Zoom meeting tomorrow. Please take care and be safe always, children, at home. Bye-bye and God bless everyone.